back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Amanda Hair, so big shout out to Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I am rocking a 28-inch curly lace frontal wig. Yes baby, she's 28 inches. You see that? Look at that stretch. She is giving hips and body. Yeah. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal. Worked with Amanda Hair quite a few times now, and I really do like their hair. I had this one curly wig from them that was absolutely gorgeous. I reviewed it maybe a few months back. I will try to insert that video up here in the corner, but if you like this hair, you're going to love that hair. If you love curly hair, you're going to love that hair. So I will have all the details for this particular unit down in the description box in case anybody is interested and they want to purchase this bomb curly wig. So this happens to be their best selling curly wig on their website, and I can see why, because baby, she is gorgeous. So
euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria, euphoria. People call my phone all the time, check my phone, already knowing this shit. Fake friends and old hoes, they're banging my line, trying to get the patience, but I had no time. Like a dead man walking, try to be talk 'cause I love you. Funny how they never care about the old you. I'm blow up, like I'm supposed to. That's why I blow up, act like I don't know you. Euphoria, I'm drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria, drowning in euphoria. I put up off the street, took you down, let me bleed. Hey, when I'm in that mode, I should pull up, That's who it is. Say something to leave. I'm good at reach. Try that reach. Secret lies. Leave alone and come back on this side. We both have high. Euphoria. Tell me right now if I can get high. Euphoria. Tell me right now when I do want you. Euphoria. I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Seems like I'm failing time, but I thought I could do better, babe. Think about you every day, just like the diamond you shine. Too many girls in other states, I would've told you anyway. I guess you had enough. I called you 4 times, I guess you mad or what? Me being me, I guess I'm outspoken. Leave all these girls around my house heartbroken. Euphoria, tell me right now if I can get high. Euphoria, ask me right now, now it's all true.
actually I was on TikTok and I came across this video and they were showing all these new lace sprays. It's by EBIN Lace. So you know EBIN, everybody uses the red can, the yellow can, and then they came out with the black can. So I've tried all of those, and they also had a gold can, but they were showing you these, like, what? These colors. So I had to grab it. Silver is Silk Protein. The purple is vitamin E, and the blue is keratin. You have undetectable lace, long-lasting holds, low residue, and it preserves your edges. So every single one of the cans say that, but I decided to go with the blue, and honestly, I think it did really well. So I did do the ball cap method for this install, but my hair is not braided underneath. So I actually used the spray to do the ball cap when I pull the cap down, and I used that initial spray to hold the cap down to the skin. I used the blue spray as well. Then I went in and I used the blue spray to lay the lace. So the only thing is with the ball cap method, whenever I use a spray, it makes my stocking cap slide back. So you gotta hurry up, you gotta work fast, you gotta work fast. Then I laid my lace. I did have to go in and touch up a few places with the spray, which was like the ear tabs. And then I had to add a little up here. But nonetheless, I think it held down on this lace pretty well. So for this lace, I believe this is a HD lace, but this is a thick HD lace. This is not a Swiss. This is not a Swiss HD. And when I say that, it's because Swiss lace is very, very thin, and it is so easy to melt into the skin. It just disappears. But this lace is a little thicker. You do get that HD as far as that high definition. Like, I'm on camera right now, and it kind of looks like being on the camera. When I look, I don't see the lace. It's looking flawless. HD video, HD lace. But when I get up close, like in the mirror, I gotta look real close. I can see it. But then again, that's me. I'm a clock lace wherever, you know? So it is a good quality lace, and you can get an HD install with that. That's what I was trying to say. So I think just about every wig that I have reviewed from Amanza has been like that same quality. You can achieve a really good install with that HD lace look. You just got to do a little bit of work. So after I initially took the elastic bands off, I added a little bit of my Fenty powder. I use this powder in every video. I don't know if I've ever told you guys what it was, but it's actually a bronzer. This is the Island Ting Baby Sunstalker Island Ting. I use this and I put it into the powder. I try to like push it into the lace. And sometimes I use it on the inside of the lace. It works really well. I also use this for like makeup, but it works with my complexion. So that's why I use it for my lace. So the key to working with lace like this, that's like a little thicker, is you have to melt it. You have to take the time to melt it. So you have to take that extra time, and the longer the better, because it helps to push that lace into the skin, which is gonna help it look like scalp, okay? So as far as the hair, it is drying. It's about like 80% dry right now. I try not to drench it. I try not to drench it with water, but I did put enough water so that the curls would pop and we could see what these curls look like. But this is it. The hair is drying and it's still very long, so it is still maintaining the length. So I absolutely love that. This hair is pretty dark. The hair is pretty dark, so it gives off a black look, but in the sunlight you could see it has some brown. So if you are the type of person that you don't like that brown, you're gonna want to go ahead and dye this black. But otherwise, I love this hair. I think that wraps it up. The cap size, this was like the perfect cap size, and I am an average, so that fit perfectly. That basically wraps up my video. Big shout out to Amanda here for sponsoring today's video. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I will see you beauties in the next video.